Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I show you how to create an ad for a parfum with AI. And let me show you where I got this idea for that. But at first, don't forget to visit the aimentor.com if you want to find the latest AI tools or if you want to read interesting blog articles, okay? You find the link in the video description. And now let's go to Facebook to show you this ad that inspires me to create this tutorial.
Luna Rosa Ocean, the new eau de parfum by Prada.
Very easy to do with AI. This guy is a movie actor, Jake Gyllenhaal, and you can also change his face with a faceswap tool. This is not a problem. In the video description you find a link to another of my tutorials. There I show you exactly how you can create your own faceswap tool, okay? And you just need one guy here, or you can create this guy with AI, and then you can swap the face from him, and you can use this face whatever you want in this tutorial. You can use your own face or a face from a client, for example, if you create a video ad for a client. And then a short video clip only with the hand. You can also create an AI, no problem, if you have a good tool where it creates good hands. We know that the AI tools are a little bit strange with creating hands, but they are getting better and better now. And let's go on. This part here, you can see it is not this guy from the video, definitely not. It's not Jake Gyllenhaal now, this is another person. Something like that you can create easy with AI, very easy. And with a sailing boat here and the waves, you can create only an image to do that, and with a little animations from the waves and the sky, the clouds, and this guy here. This is just a few seconds, just a few milliseconds. It took a clip like that, and it's not a problem to create something like that. All the clip, it takes 6 seconds. And now, next scene here, just a guy here with a red moon here and a red water a little bit here. The moon is shining on the water. And also this is not a problem to create with AI.
Luna Rosa Ocean.
And this is very easy, something like that. You can see here the ship is cruising till the sunset, and then you have the sky here, just a little bit of water. And this is just the overlay from the text, and then comes the parfum bottle here.
The parfum.
And I had this idea after I saw this ad, and I think it will be very easy to create an ad like that, something like that. I don't want to use a ship, I want to use it with a sports car. And the first image I made with Stable Diffusion, a photorealistic picture of a black McLaren Senna during a storm, blah blah blah. This is the prompt, and then let's go. And what I got was this image here. I found it very cool. And next we will animate this image with AI. To do this we go to Runway. You find also the link in the video description. And then we click here on Start with Image. Then we drop the image here. Now we leave a description here, what we want to see in the video, in the animation. But at first here, let me show you that. You can make some changes with camera motion. I don't want to change anything like that now, but just to show you what you can do. You have a lot of cool things you can change there. I will leave it everything how it is now. You can save it and let's go on. Now here, leave the description, what I want to see there. Sports car is driving in a thunderstorm. and generate it. Now this is the animation. It looks great, just a few milliseconds, I wanna see that, not too much. And then for the next image, I also use Runway. Go back here, and then we go here to generate images, okay? You can see the different types of image generators you can use here in Runway. You can also use image to image to tune it up a little bit, but maybe I show you in another tutorial. We click here on text to image to create our image now, and then on the right here we write our prompt. Have a few AI training videos, for example, here, tutorials, how to use it. It's a very cool tool, very cool AI tool. Now here we leave the prompt, and I want to see in this image now a black McLaren Senna is driving from the back view into a thunderstorm. And they are looking very great, but I don't want to see rain in my video. Number 4 would be great, I think. Choose this one. You can download it. Yeah, it matches, that looks great. The style is the same style. And just the number from the car, I want to delete that. You can use Photoshop or you can use GIMP also, like me. Let me show you quick how it works. At first download the photo and save it on your computer. Then open the image in GIMP or Photoshop, whatever you want. And this I want to delete it, not delete, I want to overpaint it. Let's try this, or I think maybe the smear tool would be better. First we need to take the color here. But I think with the smear tool we can do it. Change the size a little bit, and now after that it will be looking great and we can see nothing anymore from this number. Now export the image and save it as PNG file. PNG. Okay. Back to Runway and text to image. We drop our new image inside here. Same thing like we did before. And then a description. McLaren Senna is driving in a thunderstorm. Same thing like before, because we don't want to make any changes there. Now the video is done. It looks good. Maybe you can change the speed a little bit, but we can do that also later in the video editing program. Maybe we can add a camera movement to it. Go to camera motion and then like this. Click on save. Yeah, okay. We can make it, we can turn the speed a little bit up in the video software then. But for me that looks great. Just for 1 second I wanna see that. And then don't forget to click to download the file, the MP4 file. And then let's try another image. With the prompt, a portrait shot. From a good looking guy who's standing in front of a McLaren, of a black McLaren, Senna, with dark clouds. Now we got these 4 images, and I think one of them would be great. I like them, I like all of them, but the guy in number 2 looks a little bit strange. Maybe we can try this one here. The face of this guy looks a little bit creepy, but no problem, I will change his face and I want to use my own face there. First download the image. And after that go to Discord. You find also the link in the video description how to create your own face swap tool. And then at first go to save ID. Now we create an ID. I name it me. Let's draw a photo, mine. Yeah, I'm the best man for this job. When you get a photo, then hit enter. And then the ID, or with other words your face, is saved in the tool. And then slash and swap ID. ID name is me, that the tool can detect the face that we uploaded before, and then we drop the image here. Hit enter. And now we can have a look. It doesn't look so good. It would be better we use another image we made. I think this one here. Let's have a look. Yeah, the face also looks creepy. But okay. Just download the image at first and give it a try. I think at first we can upscale the image to get a better result. You find also the link to Upscale for this Upscale tool in the video description. It's this one here. And then download the image. We don't have to save ID again because our ID is saved and you can use it always again and again, okay? Just move the new image inside here, swap ID and ID name, same name, me. Now we get the result here. And look there, it doesn't look bad. Now it doesn't look any more creepy. Good. Now download the image. Back to Runway. And now we create another image. Text to image. The prompt. Now we want a black bottle of parfum with a black background. Without letters, okay? We don't want anything there. Much better with a dark background. Now we get this one, but I don't like because this is not what I want to see. I choose without letters and now we got this, but okay, try it again. Maybe here we can edit the prompt a little bit. We want to see the bottle in front view. Let's do it again. And yeah, this is much better. I think the first one, this one also is not bad, but the first one is very cool. You can see here we don't have we don't have any letters. And now in GIMP I will add my logo on the bottle and I will make the background a little bit more darker. And after that I will cut the video in my video editing program. I will add some music and some text a little bit and a little bit of voice, and then let me show you the result.
Drive, the new eau de parfum.
And what do you think? I think that video looks great. I made some text here, the new eau de parfum, and then the drive, I named it Drive, this parfum. And I put my logo there on the bottle. And here I made a little zoom out animation with Foss. And then this video here looks really cool. Then another video, and you see here it comes a transition effect here. When the camera movement comes, then it is fade in the parfum bottle, and then it comes the text here and the other text.
Drive, the new eau de parfum.
Okay, the voice, it could be better, I know. I just recorded with my phone and it was nothing special, but it looks really cool, I think. And now you can see with AI you can create very easy ads like that. And when you do something for a client like that, you can charge something like 500 USD or something like that for a video like this that took almost 6 seconds or 7 seconds, okay? And you can do it fast your own videos. You can make a few videos to have a portfolio to show something for your clients. With AI it is easy and it's fun. It is very funny, it makes a lot of fun. And when you feel secure in that, you can charge whatever you want for a video like this, and you don't have too much work with that. You can use the AI videos, you can swap the faces. Just click the link in the video description to watch my other video where I explain how you can create your own face swap tool in Discord, okay? If you found this tutorial was helpful, then give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and then see you in my next video. Bye!